Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today, we're going to be talking about residential rooftop safety. So, let's get started. Now, once you're up on a residential rooftop and you have your rope in place, we would recommend that you don't use a handle ascender as your rope grab. Now, the most common thing that people do is they attach a rope grab to the rope that they're using. If you do that, of course, make sure that the rope grab that you're using is compatible with the rope. Also take note of any lanyard requirements that the rope grab may have. The longer the lanyard, the more clearance is required when the shock pack deploys for you to not hit the ground. So, depending on the height of the roof, some rope grabs and lanyard combinations may not be appropriate. Whenever possible, we would just recommend using as short of a lanyard as possible or no lanyard at all. In the case of the ASAP, it's actually able to be connected directly to the D-ring on your harness. Make sure to read whatever instructions come with your rope grab to make sure you're connecting it to the proper D-ring on your harness and that you're using the proper equipment with it. In the case of the Petzl ASAP, it is a device that is able to go freely on the rope without you having to adjust the device, so you can just walk around freely, and the fact that you don't have a long lanyard isn't going to be a problem. Now, another possibility is instead of using a rope grab, you can use certain descenders like the Petzl ID. These are great because when they're in the locked off position, they're not going to let you go anywhere. But when you want to go up the roof, as you walk, you pull the slack through it, and then it'll lock in place again. And then if you need to go back down the roof, you can either hold it at an angle, and then if you were to have a fall, it kind of tugs back straight, or if you're leaning on it, you can just operate it like a descender and pull the handle. One other great option, if you have an anchor on top of the roof that you were able to connect to, is an SRL or a self-retracting lifeline. SRLs like this one can range anywhere from a couple feet long all the way up to 100 feet in some cases. This particular one's 20 feet. And they extend out as you walk away from them, and then they suck back in as you walk closer to them. So they keep any slack out of your line and are ready to catch you immediately in case of a fall. So that was just a few of the ways that you can connect to your rope or your anchor to do the residential rooftop work that you need to. If you're wondering, how do I get a rope up there in the first place, check out our other video that covers rooftop anchoring. As always, thanks for watching.